All right, good morning. So, yesterday, September 6th, I had a pretty solid trade, and the trade went according to plan. So, I'm just going to keep going with the trend today. I'm going to see if I can come in with another entry. So, we've got lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I don't see any breaks. So, the first thing I did, of course, I'm just kind of strictly staying on the smaller time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. I'm looking for an entry on the 15-minute chart with price action. So right now I see that it's oversold. So here we go. Bam. So what I'm going to do is I just throw on the fib at the impulse. I'm just going to make this real quick today. So I just throw the Fibonacci. Wrong one. On the impulse. So from here to here on the 1 hour chart, boom, impulse wave, right? Then of course, looking at the trend is your friend, never forget. And then I just go to my sweet spot, the 50% retracement, anything within this area, maybe even sometimes this upper level, then I'm gonna try and take a trade. So this is what I'm looking for. I usually take that off, and I will draw my support and resistance. I like to have a clear, for the most part, I like a really clear chart. But then again, scaling down, I'm looking at this right here, this candle. That's kind of a fight between the bears and the bulls as far as who's going to take control. Usually when the market's oversold or overbought, it's pretty much a good indicator that there may be a reversal. So we just keep an eye on it. Same thing, price is rejecting this level right here. It doesn't want to break past this level. So we just keep watching. And this is what I'm looking for. If I can get a retracement up, somewhere's right in here, then I'm looking for a continuation down. And that's because there's been such a strong downtrend. Keep in mind, check the Forex economic calendar. I use dailyfx.com. It's usually pretty good for me. But if there's any major news, like U.S. economic news from the time that I'm trading, I'll try to stay out of it. But so far, this is what I'm waiting for. So let's just keep watching. And if I'm going to set a reminder. So if I get any kind of action right here, then I'll get an alert, and I'll just keep my eyes on the trade and see if I can execute a new order. All right, so stay tuned. Let's keep putting in this work, and let's continue this journey. Thank you.